Hello, I am Dr. P.S. Kannan, Professor of Electrical and Electronics Engineering, Theoretical College of Engineering, Madurai, Tamil Nadu, India. Presenting the paper published, PDT presents novel concepts with direct method to find minimum network losses and sharing. The work reported in this paper is a revolutionary invention by using fundamental power division theorem and Lagrange's multiplier method. The target is to minimize the network losses and sharing. The combined approach of power division theorem formula and Lagrange's method delivers a novel direct load flow method. There are novel concepts applicable to networks and power systems. The revolutionary invention is, by this approach, is the equal source node voltage operation reduces network losses. Whatever may be the network, if it is being operated with equal source voltage, automatically the network losses are minimum. The sharing of sources is such a way that to minimize the losses. Another important information is the Lagrange's multiplier is equal to the total generation, and the slack bus is not necessary in the invented method of novel direct load flow. The equations in the novel direct load flow method, the constraint for minimizing the network losses are not present. Once being operated with equal source node voltage, that is common source node voltage, the loss is automatically minimum in the solution. The power system engineers can decide proper value of common source node voltage for minimizing losses. If this voltage is increased, the total source current reduced and network losses also reduced. Another important information coming out from this load flow is the complex source current ratios are the same in all the solutions of a particular network. A DC network and standard IEEE-5 Bus system are given as example for validating the method. PDT formula and the Lagrange's method are used to minimize the network losses and sharing. This approach is called as Loss Minimization Lagrangian PDT load flow LMLPDT approach. The outcome of the approach is the novel direct load flow method. The equations for the DC network in the LMLPDT approach and NDLF approach are shown in the display. The equations for LMLPDT approach for IEEE-5 Bus system are shown in the display. In AC network, the sixth constraint equation is needed for convergence. The equation 6 is K1IT plus K2IT equal to IT. The equation for novel direct load flow method in the case of IEEE-5 Bus system are shown in the display. The results from LMLPDT approach and NDLF method are the same as shown in the display. The innovated novel direct load flow method is very simple and direct to find the minimum network losses and sharing just by giving common source node voltage. The novel concepts and innovated novel direct load flow method are by the powerful formula of Power Division Theorem. The theorem must be included in the curriculum of all the universities world over.
Thank you.